Welcome back to part 2 of Phuket, Thailand. I just wanted to show you around the Thai food markets here. Just an amazing array of fruit, vegetables, meats, fish, herbs and so forth. This is where the locals go shopping. And we did a Thai cooking school, as I mentioned in the first episode. And we picked all our ingredients for what we were going to cook back in the studio. This is the cooking school, and I think I'm making a spicy traditional Thai soup called Tom Yum Goon, something similar to that. Anyway, I'm addicted, it's so yummy. Very spicy though. The Thai people tend to love chili and chili paste. So it's pretty easy stuff to make over there. It's so healthy and just so yummy as well. So we did that for half a day. There's our instructor, our Thai food chef. She was a very lovely lady, along with the rest of the Thai people. Thailand is just such a beautiful place. The people here are just a true testament to living happily in the moment and taking only what they need. Walking around this resort here I'm staying at, I noticed that many Westerners, even though they're on holidays, just look miserable and unhappy, and this contrast just baffled me until realising that money does not make you happy or fulfilled. I mean, even people that work all year to take a well-earned break can't relax when the time comes. I found that quite sad. Here's an elephant safari that I went on in the Thai rainforest. It was very relaxing and beautiful, and I just love animals, and elephants especially. They're so funny. This one's here scratching its bum on a rock. Full of personality. And you know, the people here are just so... They don't make any money, but they make very small amounts of money. Yet they're just happy to go about their day being happy, I guess. Here the elephants are having a bite to eat with some vines off the tree. I just love how relaxed these people live. It just makes me want to stay here and never go home back into Western society. So we tend to rush around and make money so we can buy objects, and we end up throwing the objects away and ruins the planet. So this is a very good eye-opener into how people with not much money live and how they work in with nature. It's very special to see, and they do it with complete happiness. It's just beautiful. They utilise the land. Here are some rubber trees. They collect the sap and make it into rubber mats, and then they sell it off for mass rubber production. It's a very big industry in Thailand for the rubber. It's our little Thai guide, elephant rider man. He was very funny. Just some of the views on the top of the mountains there, some banana palms. Island down the bottom there. Just so relaxing, so beautiful. The trees are amazing. These big mangrove trees. Just so beautiful to look at. These are baby elephants I had in training. They're obviously not doing any tours, but they play with them and they do painting and play sport and things like that. This is Watchalong Temple, south of the island of Phuket. It's so beautiful here. I did a wonderful meditation and gave thanks. Watchalong Temple is the largest of Phuket's temples, and it's one of the most beautiful temples artistically, in my opinion. The temple also contains a splinter of the Lord Buddha's bone, which I found really interesting. Went and had a look at that. The temple's decorated with wall paintings depicting Buddha's life story, and also features various other Buddha images. It's see the intricacy that's gone